In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a constant contact account and start your free trial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to get to your dashboard so you can begin exploring email marketing tools with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Constant Contact website. If you're searching, look for the verified site to avoid any lookalikes. When the homepage loads, find the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button, usually located at the top right. Both options lead you into the same onboarding flow, so choose the one you see. Next, you'll be asked for your email address and a few account details. Use an email that you check regularly, ideally a work email tied to your brand or organization, so communications and confirmations arrive where you need them. Create a strong, unique password that you'll remember or save it in a secure password manager. Take a moment to review any notices about terms and privacy. Accuracy here helps prevent hiccups later. Now it's time to choose a plan or a trial option. On this screen, you'll see a comparison of features and limits. If you're just exploring, the trial is a great way to test core tools before you commit. If you already know you'll need certain features, pick the plan that aligns with your contact list size and the kinds of campaigns you plan to run. You can usually adjust your plan later as your needs grow. After selecting your plan or trial, complete the sign up form. This may include basic profile details such as your business name and industry, as well as location information. Fill everything out carefully and double check for typos. Getting your business name and email right ensures your messages look professional from day one. When you're done, submit the form to create your account. With your account created, log in using the email and password you just set up. You'll land on your dashboard or a brief setup guide. This is where you can begin tailoring your experience. Take a moment to look around. You'll typically see options to add your organization details, upload your logo, and preview email templates. You can also review your profile and time zone so your scheduled messages send at the right time. If a quick start tour appears, it's worth following to understand the layout. That's all it takes to get started. You've reached your account, you're signed in, and you're ready to explore the tools that help you connect with your audience.